It's 2021, Happy New Year. We're here in the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen to cook shakshuka. It's a recipe submitted for our contest by Emily Hobbs. Thank you, Emily. And we're gonna make this wonderful dish that's healthy and great for dinner too, with eggs and our tomato artichoke pasta sauce. Now let's get cooking. Our Bella San Luci olive oil, 2 tablespoons, half a cup of onion, and let's let that go for a minute. Maybe get a little color on it. We've got a nice beginning of a golden color to the onions. Let's get our bell pepper in there. Stir it around and get those soft before we add the tomato artichoke pasta sauce. Time to add our spices. Some paprika, cumin, just a touch of red chili flake. You can add as much of that as you want because you're the chef. So I'm getting wonderful aromas coming off of the onions and bell peppers. Now we're gonna add the Bella San Luci tomato artichoke pasta sauce. We're gonna turn it down, stir it up, and now we're gonna add the sun-dried tomatoes with their oil from the jar. Bella San Luci's pride and joy. So in our sun-dried tomatoes is premium olive oil. We have the Italian herbs and spices. So now we're all over the globe with this dish. Sun-dried tomatoes give it that extra richness. We're at a nice simmer now. We're gonna make some indentations in this wonderful, beautifully smelling sauce. And now let's get cracking. Always nervous about this. This is like a poached egg dish. And once I put the lid on, the eggs will steam and poach. The next step is to salt and pepper the eggs. A little bit of salt, mostly on the yolk there. The whites will get cooked eventually. A few twists of the pepper mill. And we're on a low flame, and let's put our lid. Should take 3, 4, 5 minutes. Chef Emily says to put it in the oven, but I like it this way. The eggs cook gentler. You can choose because you're the chef. The eggs are cooked, gently poached on top of the stove. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna come over here and chop our cilantro. Chef Emily says a rough chop is fine. We have our beautification station over here with the cilantro. Let's go with that first. And then some olives, very Mediterranean. And some feta cheese at the end. Just a little bit colorful. And there you have Emily Hobbs shakshuka. Buon appetito.